having all that experience and the knowledge and the wisdom,
Yeah.
and ab if you are looking for a partner, what would you want in that partner?
So my first experience was amazing. Like, my wife is probably the best person that I could have found. If I go back, I'll do the same thing again. She's just amazing. Must have their own life. ये podcast for finding my wife. I like intelligence is the most beautiful thing. Very, very strong beliefs about anything. So,
but do you think you have strong beliefs?
I think I have strong beliefs weakly held. So I entertain thoughts.
Okay. You're flexible with that.
So no, I have strong beliefs, but I entertain thoughts. Okay, that's your thought. I do not agree with your thoughts. You have to be very convincing in your thought. But if you're convincing, if you have better logic than my logic, I would be defeated. I respect people when they talk in a positive direction towards. So for example, they sit with me and they say, okay, पता है उसने ये कहा, वो ऐसी है और ये ऐसी है. भाई अगर ऐसी तो मिलती क्यों उससे? मतलब go out. They're not your friends. Your friends are people who are not jealous of you. They're unconditionally nice to you. If you do not feel that you can talk to them openly, then they're not your friends. You have to have very strong opinions. बहुत अच्छा हो कि अगर conflicting opinion दो, मजा आ जाए. यानी फिर तो arguments ही नहीं खत्म होगा ना.
क्या बात है?
ना फिर तो arguments नहीं खत्म ना, मतलब इनकी conflict अगर हमने agree ही करना है, तो फिर one of us is unnecessary. तो agree तो ना करें ना, मतलब
एक poster बना के ना
मैंने I actually wrote my marriage JD and lastly अब आपने कह दिया. Lastly, for me the most important things in my life are my kids. And so I really love them. This is the best time that I cannot wait to go home tomorrow and spend time with them. Right? Yeah. And I have 4 of them, and these are my kids, not your kids. So you don't have to take care of them. I'll take care of them. ठीक? लेकिन you need to accept that. Okay, that's part of my life.
आपके पास आज रिश्ते वाली आंटियां हैं, तो आपकी क्या? What are the 5 top things?
I think it's crazy when we say rishte wali auntie, because I think for me what I look for is a kindness. Somebody that I should be able to respect as a person. Whatever they're doing, whatever their beliefs are, what their morals are, what they think and they do, I just want to feel like that I respect it. I agree or I don't agree, like he said, but I need to respect that person. Only then I'll be able to be with that person. So that is their kindness, respect. And the third thing, I feel like it's not as per se towards the person. It's mainly for myself. I want to feel like that I have a life of my own and somebody's not controlling me. The freedom to have to make my own choices every day is something that is very important. And the fourth thing would be somebody who makes me a better person every day. And it's again something that's not very tangible. For me, it's very important that I take inspiration from my partner. For me to feel like that there's so much to learn. There's so many ways to grow. And with that, the fifth is like somebody to have growth mindset and growth in every aspect. So it's all about how you feel with that person. That is something that I feel like if any rishta auntie can find for me.
आपने तो इस पे videos भी अपने अब्बा के साथ बनाई. I think that's how I started watching before we met. So what are your sort of 5? What's the right
things
word?
that
5
you
things
you look for in a partner?
You want in a partner.
Yeah.
जो 5 चीजें मिल चाहिए, they're hard to find.
Okay.
I want someone कि I know he is a good father.
Wow.
To my kids. When I think I have to marry someone, this is the first thing that comes to my mind.
Okay.
Would my kids be happy for me choosing that person as their father?
Wow.
Because that's somehow
that's such an interesting question to ask yourself.
So that is the biggest thing. Second, space चाहिए होती है मुझे अपनी. And that's also because my parents gave me a lot of space. I mean, they've told me my boundaries. They've told me this is ये सही है, ये red line है, ये नहीं है. But उसके बाद they've let me live. Third is religion. I want someone who I can. बाकी सारी चीज़ों में disagreement सही हैं. But religiously I want to be on the same page on the major stuff. And that's also for my kids. Yeah. Has to be passionate. I'm not saying has to be rich, but has to be passionate.
Okay.
Has this urge to grow.